Good morning all. Today we are going to discuss the topic precision half wave rectifier. Half wave rectifier can be generated by using a simple single diode and a resistor. But the problem is that the diode can be on only when a voltage of 0.6 to 0.7 volts is given to this. But below this, if we provide the voltage, it is not possible to on the diode and it is not possible to rectify the signal. So, in order to overcome this problem, we will be using the operational amplifier in order to generate a precision half wave rectifier. The precision half wave rectifier circuit is as shown in the figure, right? The circuit that you are seeing now on the screen is a precision half wave rectifier. This is generated by using a operational amplifier. In this, you can see clearly that the input voltage Vin is applied to the inverting type of terminal, right? Then the non-inverting terminal is connected to the ground. Whenever the input voltage is positive, we will be applying a sinusoidal signal. It will be one time positive, it will be one time negative. At the first, we will consider that we will be providing a positive signal first. Whenever a positive signal is applied, here I am going to apply positive signal to the inverting terminal. What happens? The output of the operational amplifier will be negative because I am going to give the input to inverting type of terminal. The operational amplifier will compare this and this ground, means positive and negative terminals it will compare, and accordingly it will give you the output. Now this time the output will be what? If I give positive input, the output will be negative. If I give this negative voltage to the diode, you will be knowing the diode polarities. This will be the anode, this will be the cathode. So, if negative is given to this D1, what happens? D1 will be off. Then, what happens there? This same is given to D2. If a negative is given to D2, the D2 will be on now. D1 is off, means what happens there? If the D1 is off, it will be like a short circuit. I will not get any output voltage. Now, because of this negative output voltage at the operational amplifier, this is applied to D2. D2 will be on. But what? Now the current will flow through D2 and then through R1. But there is no flow through R2. Means during the positive half cycle, the output will be 0. I am not going to get any output voltage, right? It is the same I have shown here. This during the positive half cycle, the output will be 0. Now see, if I provide a negative input voltage during negative half cycle of the input, if I provide a negative here to this inverting terminal, the output of the operational amplifier will be, if negative is given to inverting terminal, the output will be inverted, means the output will be positive. This positive voltage is given to D1. What happens to D1? Positive is given to positive, means anode, positive is given to the anode part of diode. Then D1 will be forwarded, it will be on. Then the same voltage is given to D2. D2 will be off because positive is given to negative. The D2 will be off. If D1 is on, what happens? I will be getting my output voltage. What is my output now? I have given a negative voltage to inverting terminal. The output of the operational amplifier is positive. Because of this, the diode D1 is on and I will be getting a positive voltage at the output side. Now check the waveform. During negative cycle, I will be getting a positive output. Yes, it is. Again, you can cross verify this by using your formula for inverting terminal. What it is for inverting operational amplifier? The output voltage V0 is equal to minus R2 divided by R1 into Vin, right? It is Vout is equal to R minus R2 by R1 into input voltage. If I consider that this R2 is equal to R1, what happens? Vout is equal to minus of Vin. That's it. You will be getting here. Right now, it is a half wave rectification, that is precision. Why precision? because below 0.6 to 0.7 voltage also can be rectified using this operational amplifier. Half wave rectification can be done here because only during half cycles I will be getting the output. During this positive cycle I am not getting my output, it will be 0. During negative cycle, only during the half wave, that is negative cycle, I will be getting my output as positive. One more thing, you can get here only you will be having the positive rectification. During negative cycles you will be having the output as rectified. Or again you can do this inversely also, means during positive cycle you can get the output and during negative cycle you can make it as 0. How? By changing the polarity of the diode. Right, it is. Try this by yourself. If you are not able to do, write in the comment section or ask me the doubts, I will clear those doubts. Okay, this is all about the half wave rectifier. In the next class we will be discussing the full wave rectifier. Thank you.